Hey, hi there, Manish here. So I saw that you're looking for someone who can assist you with QuickBook automation and integrations. So yes, I can do that. There are two ways we can handle it. First of all, we can directly go with QuickBook inbuilt automations or workflows. We can create really basic flow or integrations over there. And second, we can work with QuickBook APIs or inbuilt native integrations inside make.com or Zapier. So these are tools where we can build almost any kind of automation workflow as per your requirement, as per your business case. We can apply filter condition and even logics like how the data or the flow should be handled. So I'll quickly walk you through a couple of my projects I have done for QuickBooks automation. So here are a couple of use cases. So any integration with QuickBook can be as simple as watching a new row from Google Sheets and creating a bill inside QuickBooks. So it's pretty straightforward, and this can directly map values from Google Sheet into QuickBooks. So invoice creation date, item base, and so on. Secondly, I built these kind of massive workflow, which are like intercompany transaction workflow. So here I'm creating intercompany invoices between three group companies. So whenever there is a sales happen inside the intercompanies, this flow triggers from Google Sheet through a Google App script, and it is going to first of judge like which company is that. So it is QuickBooks, MGI, and so on, and then it is searching out for a particular item, then creating an invoice inside here. So invoices, all the values map from the Google Sheet or the base data from where it is coming in. And here I created a particular array to handle multiple line items as well. And then finally sending out invoice, updating back into Google Sheets. So this saved almost 25 hours of time for a company for every month. It's a Canada-based company. Now, another good example of QuickBook automation over here. So whenever there is a new Amazon Seller Central order is coming in, this particular workflow triggers, and it first checks whether the customer is available inside QuickBook. If it does, then it directly going to process the invoice. If not, it will create a customer, and then we'll go through the QuickBook invoicing part. Now over here, I handled multiple data points, like each line item for that particular invoice, like how they should be treated in terms of the sales tax, in terms of the logistics, class reference, and so on. And finally creating this invoice using API call, because here we had to handle the shipping and the discount raw as well. So here you see this entire JSON structure is available right across. And along with this, I also handled the discount and the shipping allocation. So creating these kind of general vouchers over here at the last. So these JVs are being created. Now this particular automation was done around QuickBook and Airtable. So this particular client or company wanted to create complete bank reconciliation using Airtable, and they were taking data from QuickBooks. So over here, the flow starts with searching records into Airtable, and then it goes into QuickBooks and just figure out all the items based upon API call, bills, invoices, and so on, and updates the entire reconciliation between QuickBooks. So yeah, this can be almost anything. Here you see one of the other example of QuickBook estimates. So whenever there is an estimate is get approved or created inside QuickBook, now there is getting an estimate, creating a PandaDoc based upon that, and finally making out API call to send out this particular estimation to the client. So this can be anything. The automation or integration space is endless, and I can assist you with my automation skills to establish your process and also to grow your business, right? So let me know if this excites, and I'm more than happy to connect. So yeah, looking forward to hear from you. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.